Good evening. Okay. The last two sessions I've discussed question number 1 and question number 2, right? MCQ, and question number 2 is related to the logics with the output of the following. How many times loop will run, like that. Now today I'm going to discuss the related to the programs. So section B. Here you are going to write answer any 4 question. The answer in this section should consist of program in the BlueJ environment or program environment with a Java as the base, and these programs should be written using variable description. To write the variable description after the program, monitor the output, write on name of the variable, data type, and description. There are 3 columns. How many variables you have used, and what is the data type, and what are the description of that variable. It's clearly different. Flowchart and not required. So, okay. Question number 3. It is related to the methods. And what is the class name he has given? Class name he has given cloud storage with the following specification. And he has taken the member variable or data members are account number of integer, and the space of integer, and bill double. So store the account number, space, store the storage space in GB purchased by the user. What do you mean by GB? That's gigabyte, right? And bill, it's going to total price by the user. Next, what are the methods he has given? Member methods. You are going to take the account number as well as storage through the scanner class. Calculate the method storage. Okay, based on the storage, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 13 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 15, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15ಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 30. Above 30 GB it is 11 rupees, like electricity bill only. This display, you are going to display account number, storage bill, and bill. And after that, you are going to write the main method to create an object, and you can invoke the method, right? You are going to call the method. So for that one, I have created the program. I hope you understand the program. So I can. Right. So okay. First, we are going to take the scanner class. Means first layer, it is always package. As we know, this is a package. Next it is class name. It is cloud storage. And what are the member variables? Instance variable, account number, space of integer, the initial value are stored. And the bill, it is double. And accept. What is the first method? Accept. You are going to accept the accept the account number as well as space. So other methods, int. Next, in the calculate, we are going to find the bill. If space is ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 15 GB ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 15 ಇಂಟು 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 225, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 15 GB ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15 GB ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 16 ರಿಂದ 30 ಒಳಗಡೆ 225 ಟೇಕನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 225, 15 ಇಂಟು 15, ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 13 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the else more than ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 25 ಫಾರ್ 15 GB, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 GB ಗೆ 195, 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15 ಇಂಟು 13 195, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ತಗೊಂಡ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 30 ಇಂಟು 11 rupees, ರೈಟ್? ಈಸಿ ಒನ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದ void display, print, and then account number you are going to print, storage space, and bill. And again, you are going to call the main method, and you are going to take the class name. What is the class name? You have taken cloud storage, and object name I have taken OB new. The constructor you are going to call, and you are going to create the object. By that, you are going to invoke the method accept, calculate, and display. Got it? Now we click on the compile. can take, if it is less than ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, I can take 12 GB. Account number also integer, right? 456. Enter the storage. 12 GB ತಾಳ್ತೀನಿ. 12 GB ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12 GB ಇಂಟು 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ಹತ್ತಲಿ 120 120 ಕರ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 170 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 180. So this is printing the account number and memory space and memory. 12 ಇಂಟು 15. 12 ಹತ್ತಲಿ 120 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12 ಇಂದ 60. 120 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 180. And return type is double, so it is coming from in the point 0, right? Okay, sir, if it is else if second more than 15 and less than 30, I'm going to take 20. Oh sorry, 20 ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 20 ಕೊಡೋದು ಏನು ಬಂತು? 20ಗೆ 20ದು ಎರಡನೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕೋದ್ರೆ 20 ಇಂಟು 13 ಹತ್ರ 20 ತತ್ಲಿ 130 260 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why it is 290? First 15 GB it is 15 rupees. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 225 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು? ಇನ್ನು 5 ಇಂಟು 13 13 ಐದ್ಲಿ 65 plus 225, it is 290. It's working properly. So this is the program, right? I hope you understand. Next I go to the next question. He asked, I define a class to accept the value into, this is related to the two-dimensional array, 4 into 4, 4 number of rows and 4 number of columns, and calculate the print norm of the array. What is the meaning of norm? Norm is the square root of sum of square of all the elements. So we're going to take two member methods. Sorry, not member methods. Sorry. Mathematical library function. One is square root, and it's a sum of square. Sum of square andre enta ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? We can take sum is equal to sum plus, because this is a two-dimensional array. A of ij means A of ij mat dot power A of ij comma 2. That is the sum of squares. Next, it is a square root. At the end, you are going to take mat dot square root. That we can do. Okay. So it is a four-dimensional array. He has given the elements, the row wise, and the addition is 201. Norm it is. Okay. But this one also I written the program. It is the program. Norm andre it's a square root of first line package last name norm year in aden ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು public static void. And what are the two variables I take? I is for indicating row, j for column, and we are going to sum, right? So I have taken the 0.0 because the return type it is 14. Double is there. This one is important integer. You see the output. That's why it is given double. And you can create the two-dimensional array of 4 cross 4. Okay. Array create ಆಯ್ತು, memory create ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು 4 into 4. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ array ಒಳಗಡೆ element pass ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. So I'm going to start from outer for loop. This is for rows and this is for column. This is nested for loop, right? And what is the method to accept the input as integer as an input? Next int. So here it is not only one variable, it is two loop A of ij. This nested for loop for accepting the input as an integer, and this line is for creating the two-dimensional array. Okay, now I'm going to display the original matrix. What are the matrix I have displayed? Sorry, I have entered that I'm going to display by using the print. We have taken the print in the nested the inner for loop. It's going to print row wise. After the next row, it will go to the next line means. So in the next outer for loop, I have used the print. Next is the logic. What is the question? This is easy question actually. Starting from ij, and sum is equal to sum plus. First, I can calculate for sum of squares. Sum of square means sum is equal to sum plus mat dot power. Square means what are the two variable? A of ij, and what is the exponential? Square means 2. After that, I'm going to print sum of squares, where it is stored in the sum, and I'm going to print the square root. And in the last square root, I used right here the square root of a number. It is math dot square root of sum. Why I used math dot square root? That is the final answer, right? Click on the compare. Bharaya, bega, 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 bega. So what are the elements you are going to pass? Starting from 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 3. So what is the where is the original matrix? 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, and 3, 6, 1, 2, right? And what is the sum of all the square? It is 2 not 1. And the square root of number is, what is that? 14.7625. And this is double value, right? That's it. This is the program he asked. Button. Next, I go for the next program. The next program related to the string. I define a class to accept a string. Print if it is a superstring. What is a superstring? A string if number of uppercase letter equal to number of overcome. String ಒಳಗಡೆ main logic is I'm going to extract each character, and in the character, what is the method we can use to check that is uppercase or letter? Is uppercase is there? That use model we can use, and we can count how many number of uppercase and how many number of lowercase. Then it's a superstring. For this one also I written the program. As you know, package superstring, enter the string, and I have taken UC and LC. What is the meaning of UC and LC? UC means uppercase letter, lowercase letter. Initial value of it is 0, right? And I want to find the length starting from 0 to L. L andre length ganta. I am going to extract. This is very, very important. I am extracting the character of that. If character is uppercase letter, then you are going to count UC plus plus is uppercase. Else if it is lower case, you can count that LC plus plus. Then I'm going to close the for loop. Here it's going to count how many number of 1. If UC is equal to LC, superstring, that's an artist superstring. Very easy program, you know. You should know. Thank you. So, Suprith. SU 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 small case. There is not a superstring, not a superstring, right? I will take SUPRITH. Now it is superstring because 4 number of uppercase, 2 number of small case. Correct, right? So this is the program related to the question number 3, question number 4, and the question number 5. I hope you understand these 3 programs. Next, another 3 program I will do it in the next video. I hope you understand. Any doubts, you can find the comments. Okay. Thank you.